Good morning, students. Today in English period, we are going to revise our letters that are capital letter A, small letter A to capital letter J and small letter J. हम लोगों ने इंग्लिश में कैपिटल लेटर ए, स्मॉल लेटर ए टू कैपिटल लेटर जे एंड स्मॉल लेटर जे तक सीखा है. ओके तो आज हम लोग हमारे इस पीरियड में रिवाइज करने वाले हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स सी which letters we had completed. Okay, let's revise. This is capital letter A and small letter A. This is capital letter B, small letter B. Next is capital letter C, small letter C. After that, capital letter D and small letter D. Next is capital letter E, small letter E. After E, F will come. Capital letter F, small letter F. Then capital letter G, small letter G. After that, capital letter H and small letter H. Then capital letter I and small letter I. And last is capital letter J and small letter J. So let's revise how to write that. So students, let's start with capital letter A and small letter A. How to write that letters? You know very well, but let's revise. Draw slanting line from top to bottom up to third line. And draw another slanting line. Then we will draw in middle line, that is in blue line, small sleeping line. And this is our capital letter A. Now we will write small letter A. So for that we will draw half circle in middle two lines. Then we will draw small slanting line. That is small letter A. So this is capital letter A and small letter A. Next is, which letter will come after A? Yes, you are correct. Capital letter B and small letter B. Let's revise them also. For capital letter B, we will draw standing line in upper three lines. Then we will draw half circle in upper two lines. And then we will draw again small half circle. This is capital letter B. Now we will write small letter B. For that we need standing line in upper three lines, and then we will draw again small half circle in middle two lines. That is small letter B. So capital letter B and small letter B. Now after that C letter will come. Now we will revise C. For capital letter C, we need only half circle, that is curve, in upper three lines. And same as it is, आपको small letter C भी बनाना है. But that will come in middle two lines. That is small letter C. After that D letter comes. For that, capital letter D and small letter D, let's revise. For capital letter D, we will draw standing line in upper three lines. Then we will draw half circle in upper three lines. Yes, this is our capital letter D. Now we will write small letter D. So for that we need C, you know the C. Then we will join the standing line to half circle. Yes, this is our small letter D. After that, which letter comes after D? Capital letter E and small letter E. Let's practice for that. How to write capital letter E? It's very easy. So for that we need one standing line in upper 3 lines. Then we will draw 3 slipping lines. That is, in first line, slipping line, short slipping line. In second line also we will draw slipping line. And in third line also we will draw slipping line. So this is capital letter E. Now we will write small letter E. So that is also easy. स्मॉल लेटर सी के जैसे ही होता है. आपको बनाना है स्मॉल लेटर ई. ओके. आफ्टर दैट capital letter F and small letter F will come. So F E के जैसे ही होता है. We will write standing line in upper 3 lines. Then we will draw 2 slipping lines. In upper line, red line, draw 1 slipping line. Then second slipping line will come in second line. This is our capital letter F. Then after that we will write small letter F. So it is also very easy. सिर्फ आपको ऊपर से थोड़ा सा कर्व बना के 3 लाइन्स में स्टैंडिंग लाइन निकालनी है. उसके बाद जो मिडल की सेकेंड लाइन है उसमें छोटी सी स्लिपिंग लाइन बनानी है. सो दिस इज स्मॉल लेटर F. आफ्टर दैट ABCDEF. Which letter comes? G. Yes, you are correct. Then capital letter G and small letter G. अपर के 3 लाइन्स में हम लोग बनाएंगे कैपिटल लेटर G. फॉर दैट वी नीड कैपिटल लेटर C. ड्रॉ कैपिटल लेटर C फर्स्ट. देन ड्रॉ T. आपको T आता है कैपिटल लेटर का. स्टैंडिंग लाइन और छोटी सी स्लिपिंग लाइन. ये बन गया हमारा कैपिटल लेटर G. उसको हम लोग फिर से एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाएंगे. देन वी विल राइट small letter G. So for that we need small letter C and then that will come in lower 3 lines. आपको स्टैंडिंग लाइन करनी है और उसे छोटा सा कर्व बना देना है. So this is small letter G. Now we will write capital letter H and small letter H. For that capital letter H we need standing line in upper 3 lines. Then we will draw another standing line और दोनों स्टैंडिंग लाइन को हम लोग स्लिपिंग लाइन से जोड़ेंगे. वो है मिडल की स्लिपिंग लाइन. ओके. आफ्टर दैट we will write small letter H. So for that we need another standing line and from middle line we will draw small curve downward. Okay, so this is. So student, now we will write capital letter I and small letter I. For that we need slipping line and standing line. So we will draw in first 3 lines, upper 3 lines, one standing line. Then we need to draw one slipping line in upper side and one slipping line on lower side. So this is our capital letter I. Now we will write small letter I. So for that draw one standing line, small standing line in middle 2 lines and give small dot I. This is small letter I. Now which letter comes after I? J. Yes, capital letter J and small letter J. Let's revise. For small letter J, first we will write the capital letter J. So in upper 3 lines we will draw one small standing line and then we will make small curve, and then we will give small sleeping line on upper red line. This is capital letter J. Now we will write small letter J. That will comes in lower 3 lines. Same procedure. Standing line, short curve, and then we will give small dot. ये बन गया हमारा J. आपको रिवाइज करना है A to J. ओके, बाय बाय. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको कैपिटल लेटर A, स्मॉल लेटर A टू कैपिटल लेटर J एंड स्मॉल लेटर J, ये सब कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स के राइटिंग की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. तो आपको ये सारी प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक में करनी है. ओके, टेक केयर, बाय.